In this video, I'll talk about how you can add YouTube TV to your Roku device. Now, the way that you can do this is simply using the remote here. So you can go to your home button and go to the streaming channels. From in there, you can search for the YouTube TV. Now select YouTube TV and you can add the channel. When you do that, you automatically install the YouTube TV on your Roku, and then you'll be able to use it. The other option is to head over to the Roku website, search for YouTube TV in the channel store, click Add Channel, and make sure you're logged into your Roku account, of course. And then the next time you use your Roku device, the YouTube TV will be available in there. Now keep in mind, when you do that, you need to log into your YouTube TV account once you've logged in, and then you'll be able to use it. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.